Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw KONGZILLA in a combo form. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our KONGZILLA, we're going to begin with the face. I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down and then up to start the first eye. Next I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to go down and up for the second eye. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve around for one eye, and then I'm going to go down and up like this for the next eye. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up and down, and then one that's going to go up and down again with a little V shape in between it for the nose. Right above here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and it's going to come down. And we'll do the same thing on this side, up to a point and then down to kind of form the eyebrow ridge. Starting right over here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go out. It's going to curve in, and I'll draw a little design in there for the ear. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. I'll add a little spike in here, and then I'll draw another one right here for another little spike. Starting right over here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve out and then in. I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down. Then I'm going to come across like this for the mouth. Next, we're going to bring it down, and then we're going to go out over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and up, and I'm going to put a few small little teeth in here, and then another big one for a big fang. Down here, I'm going to make the same thing with just a few small teeth and two big fangs. We'll add a little line that comes down and then another one right here for the tongue. Next, we're going to make two little lines coming down here for that side of the mouth. I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down the length of the mouth. We'll make a little line come across here, and one that's going to go down and then up to here. Next, I'm going to make a line that curves down and in, and it's going to come right to here. And starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and then out and in like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and it's going to come down here with another little line right here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve right down to here. I'm also going to add a couple little lines right here for some details. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down to kind of start the neck. And then I'm going to make another line that kind of curves right down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to curve in. I'm going to make a little line that goes over and then it's going to curve up here to start the chest. I'll make another line that's going to curve down here and then in. And then one more right here. Starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'm going to add a couple little spikes onto it. Then I'm going to curve it in just a little bit and add a few more spikes. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down like this. We'll draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come into a claw, and then it's going to curve up. We'll make a line that comes out here, it's going to come down, it's going to curve around. I'll make one more here, and then one more right here. We're going to curve into here. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come back here. Starting up here, I'm going to make a few kind of little curvy, pointy lines, and we'll put a few more going down here. He's got a lot of spikes up on his first shoulder. Then I'm going to kind of continue these down here as well. We're going to kind of come around into a circular pattern, or circular shape. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve, and then one that's going to come down like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. I'm going to curve it down a little bit for a thumb. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then come back up. I'll make another one here that's going to go down. We'll bring it back up here. And then finally one more right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to angle right up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to go straight down. I'm going to make two little lines here. Then I'll draw a line that's going to curve down into a claw. Another one here for another claw. And then one right here for a fourth claw, and then, or third, and then we'll do a fourth claw right here. Next, we're going to bring this line up and in, and then we're going to bring it right back to here. I'm going to draw this line in, and then another line right here. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to curve a little line up for another leg. A couple little broken spaces just to kind of show where the knee is going to be. I'm going to make two little lines that come in. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down and back for one claw. I'm going to draw one that's going to go down and up for another. Down and up for another one. And finally down and then up for that last one. We'll just bring it right up to here. And starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make it go up like this. We're going to come to a point, and I'll bring it right back to here. So here's our basic shape. Now we want to come in here and add some of the details. I'm going to go a little bit faster through this part. One of the things we want to do is to add these spikes. So I'm going to make some nice tall curved lines that come back like this. I'm going to put a few smaller ones in the front. Next, I'm going to make some big ones. So we're just going to make them a little bit taller, kind of put them right in between here. Put a few over here. And we're going to do the same thing right around here. Next, I'm going to come in here and make some of these lines a little bit longer, just to make it look like some of these spikes are a little bit longer and bigger. We're going to put a few around here too. I'm going to add a few more little spike lines right around here. And we'll add a few more points in here. You want to make a nice long kind of broken line down here with some little curves to show some texture on the bottom of the tail, some quick little curves. And just a few kind of long broken lines coming up and down here, a few little lines coming down, just show some detail. Right here in the chest, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down like this, and it's going to come down here. And I'm going to bring this all the way down to a point. Next, you're going to make these little curved lines in here. It's kind of like a little chest, or like a chest bone in there. And it's going to have some little points coming out of here too. We can add some little broken lines on there. I'm going to add just some little broken lines along the chest. We'll add some curved lines onto the claws. And a couple little extra lines on here. Do the same things on the toes. Do some lines around here. And I'm going to do some nice little kind of broken lines all over here. We'll do some kind of going up and down the arms. Some little lines for like the knee. A few more little lines kind of right around here. I'm also going to put some little lines right along the head too for some texture. And a few more little spikes right around the face. Add some lines on the fingers and hands too for some details. And some more kind of right around here. A few more little spikes on the face. And bring some of these lines down. And there you go. Here is your drawing of Kongzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.